How do I make an array? Well, first ask yourself, what makes an array? An array is a group of items that is in one name. For the sake of a better explanation, let's call it a pocket. A pocket has one or more items in it. We can call an object based on its assigned number. Let's assign all of these objects to the pocket. If I wanted the triangle, I would call the pocket and say I want the second item out of that pocket. I would then get the triangle. Let's put this into real C++ coding. First, we can define all our variables. Second, we need to define our pocket. Third, we need to assign our variable to the pocket. Now that's all done, we can print out a statement based on what we want out of the pocket. Anything inside the bracket is the index of the items you want to grab. Remember, an array starts at 0, so meaning if you wanted a circle, you would have to say, I'd like the 0th item please, and so on. And Arduino did not support push and pop, meaning you cannot add more indexes to the array. If you declare something beyond what you assign, that would mean accessing the memory not intended for use, and your Arduino did not detect it, nor does the compiler. So if you are using for loop, it is your responsibility to make sure the index did not go over the assigned memory. Going out of the assigned index without knowing can lead to hard to fix debug problems in your code. If you want to change an index, simply call the index of the object and make it equal to whatever you want. First, define the different value of what the heart object would be. Second, assign the heart value to the array pocket. Third, print the first value to the array pocket. If you want to assign a value to a variable in the array, simply declare the variable, then assign the new variable from the array called pocket with the first index accessed. Then print it out to the console. I would be happy for questions, feedback, or discussions in the comments. Hope this helps you out in understanding arrays. Bye!